So welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be having a look at this. And what this is a smart electric pump from Auxito. So let's check it out and see what it's about and see if it's any good. It's got some quite cool functions on it. It's got accurate pressure measurements, LCD digital display, memorize the preset values. It also can use it as a mobile power bank, which is always handy. It's got Type-C charging and 3 modes of LED lighting. You can use this on car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, ball mode, and you can even do a custom mode. So let's open the box and see what it looks like, and then we're going to test it out. It's like opening a mobile phone box. So obviously we have the user manual. And then the actual product. It's got a nice bit of weight to it. It feels good quality. It doesn't feel all flimsy and really plasticky, even though it is plastic. Peel off before use. Alright, it's off. So it looks like it's got an on and off button here, a plus and minus here. That looks like a light, and that's probably to cycle through the different modes. We'll check that out. There's your USB-C mode. That must be for charging or something. That must be the light. Not a lot going on the bottom. Looks like that's where it's getting its air from to keep it cool and to keep the compressor going. Right. So we have this bit here, which goes in there, like that. And then you have lots of accessories for the ball. Probably use those for inflatable toys. And there's your charging cable. Oh, and it does come with a nice little carry case. Good. I was hoping it's going to come with something. I think a case would have been nicer than the bag, but at least it's got something. So with that twisted off, let's check it out. So onto the control bit here, let's turn it on. Oh. There we go. So we've got PSI here at 35. Can we change that? Okay. So that's what you want to set it at, and that's what that's what it's at the moment, and that is what the target you're setting it for. You can see it's in car mode. So if we use this cycle button, oh, there we go. Then it goes to motorbike mode, push bike mode, and ball mode, and then custom mode. Okay, perfect. That's pretty nice and easy to use. I like that. So this must be for the torch. Yeah, there we go. So you can flash. You've got a red light, off, and just a normal, torch. Let's see how it works as a power bank. Let's use the cable that it came with and see if it will charge my phone. So everything seems to be on this top bit. So that is now plugged in. And yeah, it's charging my phone. So we have one flat ball here, so let's test out on this. It says this needs to be 5 to 7 PSI, so we're mid to middle at 6 and see if this can do it. So let's put the adapter on the end. Turn the Auxito on, and then we'll cycle through till we get to ball mode, which is there, and it says 8 psi, but we can see that we need to go with 6. All right, so let's go. Press on that button, I reckon. Excellent. So it turned off when it got to the set PSI. So the ball function worked absolutely perfect. Happy days. Right, let's go and try it on something else. Let's go and try it on a push bike, and then we'll get onto a car. So let's pump up this flat tyre. Now we're going to cycle through to bicycle mode, which is that one. We definitely don't want 38 psi. What we want is around about 26. So let's put it to 26 and press go. Perfect, so it's done that one. Right, so now let's test it out on one of the cars. Let's see if it pumps this tyre up. 41. So 41 PSI on the front. So now we're on car, so we're going to put that up to 41. Go, go, go. Now the battery light's flashing, so I think we may have used all the power from this. So let's go and give it a charge and come back to it. So now I've fully charged this up now, so let's see if it will reach our 41 PSI. To give it a fair test, I'm going to let all the air out of the tyre. Right, so I've let a lot of air out the tyre. Right, so we have 14 PSI in there, and we're now going to get this to 41. This is not going too well. It's been nearly 4 minutes and it's only gone up 10 psi in 4 minutes.
So I can see it's got the red light now, so it's starting to run out of battery, and it hasn't even got to the pressure we want it to get to. So it's been running for, yeah, over 8 minutes, and it's about to run out of battery, and it's still got 6 psi. And this is only one tyre. So just under 10 minutes, it's run out of battery, and it's not even got the tyre to the pressure we want. So I've just had to use an airliner compressor to finish the job off, because the Auxito just isn't man enough. So we've tested this product now on everything it says it can do, and to be honest with you, I'm disappointed with it. I was hoping it was going to do better, because the product itself feels really good and well made. But I think the connector for the hose should be a push fit and not a twist fit, because it did keep them popping off, which was a little bit annoying. But the inflatables, the ball, the bike tyre, anything like that, it doesn't really have a problem with. It does take a little bit of time, but it will do it no problem. But it clearly shows a picture of a car tyre on the packaging, and that is the problem it has. It can't do them. I wanted it to do one tyre, and I even fully charged it to do that one tyre, and it just couldn't do it. And I had to get out a compressor in the end once it ran out of battery after about 10 minutes to finish the job off. So yeah, I wouldn't bother with this, to be honest with you. I think there'd be better things out there that can do a better job. But I wanted to do an honest review, and if it's no good, I'll tell you it's no good. It's no good. If you've got items out there you want to send me to review, there will be honest reviews. If they're no good, we will say they're no good. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.